Welcome! In front of me I have Hamafit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the brightness icon, and if you want to change the screen brightness you can tap on it, and if you tap on the brightness icon it should basically change the level of brightness, and you have 20%, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So set it to the level you like by tapping on the icon repeatedly, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings, so if you press the side button to open the menu, then scroll down and find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings you can tap on display and once you tap on it, it will open the display menu. Here tap on the screen brightness and you can scroll through the list of brightness levels, find the one you like, and once you select the one you like, come on, I want 60. Okay, this is a bit annoying. Okay, once you select the one you like, you can tap on the check mark to confirm, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.